Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through my new condo listing over in Boulder Bay, 760 Blue Jay Unit 34. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are outside 760 Blue Jay. There are 60 units inside the complex. And one interesting fact is we are moving from this color to this color. So this can be almost one of the last buildings to get painted. We're gonna be looking at this unit right here. So it is upstairs. So in this complex, you are either upstairs or downstairs. So downstairs, non-vaulted ceilings, upstairs, vaulted ceilings. And just to give you some idea of where we are, this is going to be Big Bear Boulevard right here. We are over in Boulder Bay. And Boulder Bay Park is going to be right over this fence, and you're going to have a view of that as well. And then down here is going to be Willow Landing behind these two units. And most of the parking for the complex is this direction, followed by Clubhouse and the pool, which I will walk you along here in just a few. So let's go on up. And coming up, we've got these grates so that snow and ice are gonna just fall right through it, and you will be safe and have all the traction that you need. So coming upstairs, you're gonna have two different units, one to the left, one to the right. This unit over here has that balcony, and us over here, we have this one. So let's go on inside. Okay, so coming inside, we're gonna enter and you're coming into tile, followed by carpet. And I'm gonna confuse you really quick and just tell you a quick story, is that a long time ago when I was in vacation rentals, we used to rent the majority of these units. And the interesting thing, and something that I could not wrap my head around, but eventually did, was that the owners of these units used to rent these as two separate short-term rentals. So they would give a master bedroom to one person, and they would have the door here, and then they would also have a door here, which led to a 1-bed, 1-bath kitchen, living room, and dining room, and laundry. So they would rent it as Unit A and Unit B. But my understanding, you cannot do that anymore because you only get one permit per parcel. But just an interesting fact about these units. So this is the master. There are 2 beds, 2 baths in the unit, and a living room, kitchen, dining room. And so this is going to be the master bedroom because you've got the attached bathroom here. So owner just moved some things out. So our carpet has some indents right here. But as you can see, we've got vaulted ceilings in here. I have seen a couple that I've sold in here where they did have, and I'm not saying to do this, but they had hacked into the ceiling and been able to make space up above. You cannot do that per the HOA, but there are a few out there that do exist. So coming out here, we do have the deck. The owners are responsible for their decks and for the paint. There are paint shops in town that carry the Boulder Bay green color that you would need. Some owners have been replacing this with Trex decking as well. Just a nice little area out here that you can sit at. That door is heavy. All right, so then coming into the bathroom, we're going to be transitioning from carpet to tile. And then we do have nice black brown granite with speckles in it. And what's great about this unit, so there's 60 units in the complex, 30 up, 30 down. There are only about 5, maybe 6 that have a Lakeview, and this is one of them. They do not come up very often. That is why this one is an incredible opportunity. So here we have the shower, bathtub, plastic insert And then we do have popcorn ceilings too, at least in this master hallway. Yeah, kind of all throughout. So here we have the laundry. So like I was telling you before, the best unit I've ever seen, Paul and Kim's unit in here, is that there's stairs that lead up and it goes to a 3rd floor. But I think they had to maybe undo it in order to get a permit. I'm having trouble with that door. I'll get it later. Do have a furnace. That furnace looks very new and very warm in here too. So got it nicely insulated. And then here we are coming into the main part of the room. Is going to be kitchen, living, and dining room. High top granite countertops, same bathroom, same countertops as the bathroom. And these are granite. But you could probably easily get another 2-3 bar stools here. But you also have formal dining in here as well. So coming in, you can see how we've got vaulted ceilings in here, which gives the space so much, it makes it feel so much more roomier than the units that are downstairs. The units that are downstairs, they feel a little bit tighter, a lot of times a little bit darker as well. Plus, you don't get the noise of having upstairs people above you. You are on the top floor here, which is always something that I am a fan of, as well as the natural light. So here we have the fireplace, same granite as the kitchen and the bathrooms. That beautiful, like kind of 70s rock fireplace with the live wood mantle, live edge. And then this one does have, as we all know, and I've coached you all a bit, a gas fireplace so that you can have an easy start to building a fire. A lot of these in here, I would say probably 70-80% of them are short-term rentals in here. You've got a couple of people that just use it as a second home, maybe a primary, but for the most part, I would say short-term rental. What I'm looking at here, obviously the lake is back there, and I'm going to walk you out there. But I think I see, I don't know, you can't really see it in the video. There is a bird that flew into the window, and you can see his outline. It's kind of right there, but you can't see it. So we do have central heating in here. Let's go into the kitchen. So we've got carpet in the living room and also in the dining room, and then just this same tile that is throughout the house. Same tiles, same countertops as well in the kitchen. And I love, love, love this Viking stove. Nice high-end stove. So most everything that is in here can stay. It can be turnkey if you would like it to be. A lot of things up here do sell with the furniture, just because if it's not a second home, if you're not going from one second home to another or one primary home to another, you probably don't need 2 households of furniture. So let's go into, this is the second kind of master. What I like about it is how it's laid out is that the bathroom can be used for day guest, but then you could also put a door here if you wanted to, probably like a pocket door. That way you could use this as a complete master if you wanted to. So coming in, this is bedroom number 2. Nice cozy. This is a double bed in here, but you could easily kind of forego this, make it smaller, because you do have closet space here, and, you know, have a bigger bed if you wanted to. I'm not going to open the closets. The owner does still have some stuff in here. Plus I put some stuff in there, so. And then here we have access to the attic. In the attic, there's good storage space up there as well. So I've been told, I've kind of peeked my head up there before, but good storage. And then here we have bathroom number 2. So same white tile as everywhere else in the house. Same countertops, super clean. We have a full shower, plastic insert. And then now I'm gonna walk you over to the Primo spot. We're going outside. But first, I love this. This is a beautiful, beautiful chandelier. Feels pretty heavy. Gorgeous though. So much fun. So here we have dining room. What's good about it too is that you do have a mirror so that it does appear bigger than it actually is. It almost feels like you're a whole nother unit out here too. And let's go over. Okay, got out. So here we have the other balcony out the back. So the good thing about this one, you do have the water heater out here, and then it does have access to the grill connection back here. And here you have Boulder Bay Park right here. Got parking, and you've got the lake right here. Nice little dock out there. This is a great, great spot. And then here we are kind of like looking at the back. While nobody has backyards here, it is, you know, just like kind of common area, but it is nicely landscaped back here as well. And just beautiful, beautiful views of all the rocks in Boulder Bay. And of course, the National Forest across the street. So next I'm going to take you and we're going to walk down to the pool area. So this area can be used for all renters as well. Okay, so here we go downstairs. And this is kind of just like a little alleyway right here. Not too much activity going through this little section right here. I do not have the keys to the gaming area or the guest house, but right now it's kind of torn apart a little bit. Not much going on there, but we do have the pool and spa area, and this is open from 8 to 10. Looks like it's hot too. So there you have it, 760 Blue Jay, unit 34, just hitting the market as a lakefront unit. Remember, one of 5 or 6, and just hitting the market for $420,000. And then also HOA too. The HOA on these units is $380 a month. All right, let me know what you think. Bye.